Hi everybody, Jake here with DMAX Store, and today we've got the all-new Fox 2.5 Series HTO shocks. So this is going to be an all-new shock from Fox. It actually features a 2.5-inch body, so it's a lot larger than those standard performance 2.0 shocks that you guys have been getting for years, and upgraded that. So these shocks still feature that same vehicle-specific valving that Fox is known for to give you a nice ride quality. Now this one in particular still maintains that internal floating piston, so your gas and your oil is separated. They actually have a new feature, and that's going to be their HTO. That's hydraulic top out. So when your shock is actually topping out, there's nothing more to actually stop that shock from just topping out and causing a rough ride. Overall, this is a really good in-between shock between the Fox 2.0 Reservoir Performance Series shocks and your Fox 2.5 Performance Elite dual adjustable shocks. So it's not going to have any adjustments on here, doesn't have a reservoir, but it does feature this aluminum body that is 2.5 inches in diameter. So I mean, it's going to be able to effectively dissipate any of the heat that you guys are using for your trucks on and a little bit of off-road. If your truck is equipped with larger wheels and tires, that is exactly what these shocks were designed for. Now if you want to see the difference from your Fox 2.0 Performance Series shock and your Fox 2.5 Performance Series shock, I mean, you can just tell this is another 1/2 inch in diameter, but it still has that same billet and anodized finish going on. So you know it's going to hold up in the elements pretty well. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and toss them on our 2024 GMC 3500 HD flatbed truck and really see how these work. So this has a larger set of wheels and tires, so it's a lot heavier than the stock setup, and that's exactly what these were designed for. So we're going to let you guys know how they ride once we get them installed, because the stock shocks on this thing just aren't up to par. Alright, so initial impressions of these Fox 2.5 HTO shocks now that they're installed on this 2024 GMC Sierra. Now this is a cabin chassis model, so it has heavier duty leaf springs, it has a massive rear sway bar, and we did already add airbags to the rear suspension. So I mean, this is going to be a pretty stiff riding truck as it is, but the stock shocks just were not able to handle any of the bumps and would cause a massive jarring, and the wheels would just kind of bounce around with no damping at all. So far going over some train tracks, hitting some potholes, hitting some manhole covers, and just the standard cracks and bumps in the road, these Fox shocks are able to handle it much better than the stock shocks were. So I'm really impressed thus far, just going off with these shocks. I mean, it's able to actually dampen the suspension, so you have one movement of the tire down, one movement of the tire up, and then that's that. And it's smooth, and it's not a jarring hit like it used to be with the stock shocks. If you're looking to get your Duramax riding right, go to dmaxstore.com and be able to get you set up with the right shocks for your rig.